Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today, this is going to be a short video, but I want to show you how I apply heat to my heat-friendly synthetic fibers. You know, I love Belle Tress Santa Monica, one of my all-time favorite wigs. I have it here. I've got it ready. I've clipped it up, and I'm going to show you how I apply heat. Now, with heat-friendly fibers, you know you're going to have to put some heat on them at some time. And this one, I should have done it before now. However, I wanted to wait till I had time to film it and show you how I do it. So this one is in desperate need of some heat. It is starting to feel very frizzy on the ends, and it's past time. Like I said, I should have done it before now, but I just wanted to wait. I wear this not every day, but almost. This is my errands wig. This is my throw on and go. I love it. Now, what I have done, I washed it. Now, that's just my process. I like to start with clean hair because, you know, I put product in mine. You see me put wig wax, different things in it, and I don't want to bake that into these fibers. So I start with my wig clean. Again, this is just my way. That's my disclaimer. This is my way of doing. You may have a completely different way, which is great. Now, and I've clipped it up like I've shown you. So we're going to talk about that. So I washed it and I applied a heat protectant. I like the Jon Renau Heat Treat Thermal Spray. I like this. This is what I normally use. There are others, of course. And you know you're going to need a wide tooth comb. So that's what I've done to get started. I'm going to show you two different flat irons. I have my little small one. You see me use it all the time. I got it on Amazon. And you can also use a wider one. Either way. I like this little one. It's just my preference. Again, there's no right or wrong. Whatever you want to use. I like this because this is a very blunt cut. By the way, I'm wearing my Leah 2 in Ellen Villa Leah 2 in the color Cinnamon Brown R. And my Santa Monica is in Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Again, this is just my way because I can. It's blunt. I'm not trying to add any curl. I just want it flat. But like I said, you can use a bigger one too. So I'm going to get started, show you how I do it. Then I'm going to fast forward it because you don't want to see me sit here and do that all day. But I'm just going to kind of show you the process. Okay, that is how fast I added some heat to this wig. Now let's go back over what we need to do it. Let me show you. It's very easy, but it is very necessary. As I was straightening that, I could feel the ends were really frizzed and frayed. They needed that so badly. So I just had mine on a blockhead with some T-pins. Pin to the blockhead. Remember, don't put one of these pins in your lace front ever. That will absolutely cause a hole in it. I always pin them through the ear tabs and one in the nape. We used the Jon Renau heat protectant before I started and let it dry. A wide tooth comb. Then I just had some clips to clip it up. I like to do mine like that. I do the bottom layer, then I do the top layer. And then we use just two different heat tools. Now, I did not go over 280 on my heat tools. That's just where I'm comfortable, and I feel like it works fine for me. But be sure, whatever wig you are using heat on, you're checking with the manufacturer to make sure of the heat, because it does vary between brands. So I'm comfortable at 280. I know that's not going to damage it, and that's what I go with. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some messages, and I'll see you next time.